Alright, here's my Energy Storm ESI 3600. Just unboxed it. And I'm going to fire it up and see how it does. This is a sticker on the front of it. As you can see, it's not quite to be what it claims. So, not even on the Home Depot website. So, I don't know if it's underrated. I don't know why they call it a 3600 if it's not even rated for that. So, I don't know. Like I said, right out of the box. Oh, good. Alright. So everything looks pretty good as far as control panel and if it was damaged in shipping, which I don't see anything. So I will say it rolls really nice for how big it is. And it weighs a lot. It took a lot to get it out of that box there, you know, 130 pounds or whatever. So it's quite heavy. Apparently now they come with a battery maintainer. I guess they've had issues, I guess, with the batteries going dead. This was in the box. You can see there's a spark plug in there. A wrench to pull off the side panels. Spark plug wrench, screwdriver handle. Not sure exactly what that guy's for right there, but I'll look in the manual and see. Adapter for the twist lock, and then a couple of key fobs. I don't know if there you can kind of see it. Come on, you pile of crap, focus on what I want you to focus on. Alright, so cell phone cameras suck balls, but whatever. You get the idea. So, here's the battery maintainer right there. So I will put everything to use. There are some wheel stops here, some kind of wheel chock things. Okay, there's one on each side of the rear non-turning wheels. Man, they're exactly opposite of each other. So that's alright. So you can see I got my microwave going, and it's not too loud really. It's just right outside the door. So yeah, there it is. I'll see if it'll fire up my AC at the same time, but I'm not having too much hope on that. So here we go. Wow, we did it. Both the microwave and the AC is going. So let's crank it up to medium. Yep. Fine. Okay. Well, there you go. We'll run them both. So, turn my microwave off here for a second. I don't know if you could hear that, but the generator just kind of kicked down. So now I'm going to turn the microwave back on. See if it kills everything. I'll start the generator ramp back up. that's good. And I tried to show you earlier was that hose clamp is a piece of crap on the original.